Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous tutorial session on PHP, I was discussing about the comments, comments in PHP. So within that, I am just covered till the single line comments. And the single line commands is done by double slash, forward slash, or hash symbol. So we have our PHP file I am showing. We already make the PHP file in our first video, and in second tutorial session I have shown the PHP command in the file. Yes. So this is not saved that time, and that's why it is showing on the runtime. It is still showing. So I am right now I am just saving the command section, and I am making it the command. This is the single line command, right? So I just saved it, and I am going to my browser and refreshing. Yes, this is not coming, right? So the command section is not will not be appear in the browser. Okay, so this is the single line command. If I write multiple lines, we'll first write a complete program in PHP. So whatever the necessary tags we have to write in our PHP file, we now I am going to write that, and I am making it full complete one file, so that inside the file we can comment some lines. Okay. So as if you know the HTML, we can within the HTML file we can embed the PHP tags, okay, and PHP scripting, okay, and PHP scripting will be within the HTML file PHP we can write the PHP script, okay. So I'm just writing the main or file which we actually write in the HTML file to make an HTML file. Just I'm writing my program on this PHP file in the similar way we write the HTML file, okay, and within the HTML file we'll write our PHP program, okay, or PHP script, okay. So we start with HTML tag and HTML, and so I am writing the end tag also. Now, as you know, the HTML file, within the HTML file we can write the CSS file, CSS syntax, or CSS statements or syntax, whatever you called it. We can embed the script tag, we can embed style tag, okay, inside the HTML file, okay. And every HTML file is start with HTML tag and end with /HTML. So inside the PHP file we can write the HTML tags also, and within the HTML we can write the PHP script, okay. And PHP script must be inside the PHP tag, which I have already discussed this one. But the overall whatever the total file, whatever the code is inside the file, this will start from by HTML or PHP, whatever it is. I can start a file, a PHP file with the PHP tag, and complete a file with the end tag of PHP, okay. And that file extension will be the index.php, as well as if we include some PHP script inside the HTML file, okay. So that file extension will also be index.php, because we have embed the PHP script inside the HTML file. So your file extension will not be .html. If you not include the HTML PHP part, this one PHP script, if you not include the PHP script inside a HTML file, your file extension will be .html. Okay. But if I include some PHP script inside a HTML file, our file extension will be .php. So whether the file is HTML or PHP, if I include some PHP script inside the file, my file will extension will be .php. Clear? Okay. Now I am starting my file like this, and as I know, if you know the HTML, the main syntax is we have to start HTML file from the HTML tag and end with the HTML tag, and there are two sections inside the HTML. First one is head, and we have to close that head, and next is body, and just close the body before closing the HTML. Okay, this is the main format of a HTML file, and inside the head tag I'll give a title. Sorry, I'll give a title that is this is our PHP program. Okay, I have included a title for my file for this program, and inside the body I'll include my PHP script. Okay, now I'll make it active. Let's say I'll print another statement, that is echo. This is second line of code. Okay, and like that I am just writing the third line. I am saving this, and let's see what will be the output in our browser. I am just making it refresh. See, here coming hello world, then after just hello world it is showing this is second line of code, and just after that this is third line of code. So they are actually coming side by side, and no gap is there, because I have not given any break of those lines. Okay, so to make the break means to break these lines in three, we have to put a break tag. Okay, so I'm just saving it. Let's see. Yes, these are coming, these lines are coming one below another, right? So three lines are coming in one by one, one below another. Okay, so I have to put the break tag. This is the HTML tag, and I have to embed this tag inside the echo statement and inside the double quote, so that after the string it will break the next line, and it will print the next line. Okay, so one by one this line will be printed in our browser. Okay, so I think you understood, right? Now what I will do is, I have already shown you how to make a single line command. Now I'll do the multiple line commands. Okay, so this is our part 3. So single line commands I have already shown, and multiple line commands, this is done by /* and it will be ended by */. Okay, we'll check now in our program if it is work or not, if it is working or not. So just I'll make it the first line as it is, and I'll put here the comment, and I'll end the comment from this. So you see these two lines are now in green color. So these will be treated as comments inside the PHP script. Okay, so only this line will be printed. Okay, now I'm just saving it, and I'll run it on the browser. I just refresh it in the browser. See, only the first line is showing here, displaying, right? And next two line is not displaying. So this is the multiple line commands. You can do the multiple line commands by this. Okay, this is the way of multiple line commands. So commands is clear, right? How you can do your single line commands and multiple line commands in your PHP script or PHP program, right? So this is the third part of this PHP full course tutorial session, and I'll make it one by one. Just watch the full complete video and complete tutorial. For each of the tutorial you will get to learn in detail and step by step, very easily, and with easy examples also. Just watch the complete tutorial. Okay, and if you learned these things and understood it, you just give a like, and so that I also understand that you have learned from my tutorial. Okay, and just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that I can upload my next video and you will get the notification of that, and you can watch the video for your learning. Okay, and also if you want to join my online training session, you can just join my online training, and there in the thumbnail you can see the number is there. You can WhatsApp in that number, or you can call in that number, and I'll tell you the process how you can join in my online training session. I provide training in each module of web development, starting from HTML, then complete CSS, then complete JavaScript course, complete Bootstrap course, jQuery course, PHP complete training, and MySQL training, and WordPress training, complete WordPress training, and also I from the graphics part I also provide training for Photoshop, because this is required for web development also. So if you want to join my online training session, just make a comment in below the video, and you can just make a call, give a call on that number, or WhatsApp in that number provided in the thumbnail of each video. And also you can email me in the description section. It is mentioned there. In my email is mentioned, and you can join. You can just email me in which course you are going to join and you are interested to join, and I'll reply on that, and I will tell you the process of joining. And as soon as the process is completed, you can just start your course, and it will be an interactive course and not the pre-recorded course. so that you can understand in detail, and you can understand with easy way, and each step by step process. And also you can ask your queries. If any doubts are you have, you can clear on your online interactive tutorial session. Okay,